Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of getting ready and I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm applying my wig. It's a lace closure wig 4x4, and like always I'm going to have all the details down in my description bar, in my description box, so you guys can check that out. But I'm going to do my makeup first, going to do some light makeup. And then after we do the makeup, we're gonna get to applying the wig, and then I'm gonna get dressed and all of that. So right now I'm just doing my eyebrows. I don't know if you guys can see how they're coming out, but I'm doing like the wispy effect on my brows. And I'm using this hair soap, and I'm spraying my rose water on it to make it tacky. And you're supposed to let it sit to get tacky so that it can stick up like this, and then you're able to shape your brow. That's pretty much how I want them. I don't really do anything elaborate with my eyebrows. This is how they look. Okay, so then I use my concealer, which is this Creaseless brand, and I outline the brows with that. Kind of hard to talk and do my makeup at the same time, but I'm trying. Okay, these are pretty much my brows. I don't do anything in a particular order. I just trying to get it done, guys. I gotta hurry up. Oh, snaps, I hear the kids crying. Oh, Jesus. It's so hard not to go downstairs and respond because I hear them. And my little one, she's a little crybaby. Like, she cries all the time. She's still breastfed, so she wants me all the time. And that can get overwhelming. I might have to go and get her and bring her up here. But Daddy should have it. He should know how to handle the kids. I don't want to have to go get her. She usually does good with her dad. I don't know. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna put my I'm gonna do my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing very neutral colors. And y'all, I'm literally a beginner at this whole makeup thing. I didn't used to put none of this on. I used to only do my eyelashes and my eyebrows and a little bit of makeup, and that was it. Like foundation, I never put anything else on. So this is my palette that I have. I'll link it down below. Can do the most. I just really want my eyes to pop. Took a lotion or soap on me? What that is? Okay. Sorry, my makeup box is down below, so I have to. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting my lash glue on, and I love this lash glue because you can just line your eyelids with it and you can put the glue on there. So okay, so here I'm showing you the specs of the hair. 16 inches, 4x4 body wave lace closure. It does come pre-plucked, but I did pluck this unit and I also bleached the knots off camera. It also comes in a natural brown color like most of the hair, so I did go ahead and dip dye this hair. I did a watercolor method of jet black with the Adore hair dye, and that took literally like 5 minutes to do. And so I got this really bold black color, and I just thought it made a more of a statement with this hair. It looks even more beautiful. Also, you can wear the hair in its natural state, which is the body wave texture, but I decided to straighten the hair because I did want to do straight hair that day. But you can leave it as is. You don't even really have to pluck it or anything because it already looks very, very beautiful out the package. The hair has minimal shedding, it does not tangle, and I like how thick and how much volume comes with this wig. So it looks very, very natural. I got a lot of compliments on it, and I think this is a very, very good buy, and it's a great price. So you guys, please go check out this shop. I'm going to be putting all the information down in my description box so you guys can go and check out this store and check out this unit. That's all that I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is pretty much the final look. I didn't get to do a full-on recording every single step because I'm running out of storage. So that was it. Yeah, so if you guys liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's always my pleasure, and I will see you guys in the next video.